Thank you, Mike, for that. Now, the Milimani Magistrates Court has broken the stalemate in the hate speech case against Mumias East Member of Parliament Peter Salasya, setting January next year as the official hearing date. As Faith Wangare reports, this follows the collapse of conciliation efforts before the National Cohesion and Integration Commission, that is NCIC, which were aimed at an out-of-court settlement.
The case against Mumias East legislator Peter Salasya has now been scheduled for January 17, 2026, making a fresh turn in proceedings that had stalled for months. The move follows the failure of reconciliation efforts between the National Cohesion and Integration Commission, a process the court had initially allowed to explore peace and understanding between parties.
In the interim period, the parties are at liberty to pursue settlement. And if by 17th of January there will be no progress, the prosecution should board witnesses so that we can proceed with the hearing.
In his ruling, Senior Resident Magistrate Paul Mutai faulted the slow pace to the talk, saying the court could not wait indefinitely for a process that had failed to begin. The prosecution told the court that the discussion collapsed after the expiry of the NCIC's term, leaving the talks incomplete. This comes after the Senate accused the National Cohesion and Integration Commission of failing to rein in hate speech and ethnic profiling by politicians and called for its disbursement. According to NCIC, it had completed investigations into over 10 politicians alleged to have used inflammatory language. Among them, Oscar Sudi, Dan Wanyama, Farah Maalim, Rigathi Gachagua, who was summoned by the Commission over hate speech allegations but reportedly defiled the summons. The court's decision now clears the way for a full trial early next year in a case testing the line between political speech and hate speech under the country's cohesion laws. Faith Wangare for TV 47.